doesn't arrive, it makes an entrance. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach S-Class glides in with a silhouette that looks hand-drawn at midnight. Endless hood, long rear door, and a roofline so clean it could be a signature.
Let me explain. The grille wears Maybach's vertical pinstripes like jewelry, framed by digital light headlamps that paint the road with surgical precision. Two-tone paintwork is mirror smooth, the coach line is razor straight, and the 21-inch monoblock wheels fill the arches with quiet confidence. Doors ease open and close themselves with a whisper. Chrome is used like punctuation, and the star on the hood feels less like a badge and more like a seal of approval. Inside is where time slows down. The rear cabin is an executive lounge. 2 reclining thrones with powered calf rests, heat, ventilation, and hot stone massage, framed by soft close armrest lids, and a chilled console for the essentials. Wool blend or semi-aniline leather, open-pore woods, polished metal switchgear, every touch has weight and warmth. Ambient light flows in 64 hues, the air fragrance system sets the mood, and Burmester 4D audio turns the seats into instruments with resonant exciters you feel as much as hear. Up front, a 12.3-inch 3D driver display and a large OLED center screen run the latest MBUX with natural voice, while the rear passengers command their world with twin entertainment displays and a tablet in the armrest. Road scan suspension reads the surface ahead, rear axle steering shrinks city streets, and the cabin hush is so complete you'll hear your own heartbeat at idle. Power is velvet with teeth. The S580 4MATIC uses a twin-turbo V8 with 48-volt assist for effortless surge. The S680 V12 delivers the kind of authority that moves 2 tons like it's a rumor. A plug-in variant in select markets adds silent, electric-only slips through town. Every version is tuned for serenity first, speed second, and the throttle writes in cursive, not block letters. Driver Assist Tech covers the grind, hands-off in approved conditions, with Drive Pilot where available, adaptive cruise that anticipates, and lane guidance that feels natural instead of nervous. Exclusivity is the point, and the price says it out loud. Expect the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach S-Class to start around the low $200,000 for the S580 and climb past $240,000 for a V12-powered S680. With bespoke 2-tone paints, rear executive packages, and first-class details pushing it higher. It's not simply a flagship, it's a moving private suite built for people who measure a day by how calm it feels.